I am the ocean. I'm water. I'm most of this planet. I shaped it. Every stream, every cloud, and every raindrop, it all comes back to me. One way or another, every living thing here needs me. I'm the source. I'm what they crawled out of. Humans, they're no different. I don't owe them a thing. I give, they take, but I can always take back. That's just the way it's always been. It's not their planet anyway. Never was, never will be. But humans, they take more than their share. They poison me, then they expect me to feed them. Well, it doesn't work that way. If humans want to exist in nature with me and off of me, I suggest they listen close. I'm only going to say this once. If nature isn't kept healthy, humans won't survive. Simple as that. I mean, I could give a damn with or without humans. I'm the ocean. I covered this entire planet once, and I can always cover it again. That's all I have to say.
I am water. To humans, I am simply just there. I'm something they just take for granted. But there is only so much of me, and more of them every single day. I start as rain in the mountains, flow to the rivers and streams, and end up in the ocean. Then the cycle begins again. And it will take me 10,000 years to get back to the state I'm in now. But to humans, I'm just water, just there. Where will humans find me when there are billions more of them around? Where will they find themselves? Will they wage wars over me, like they do over everything else? That's always an option. But it's not the only option.
Wave. I am the wave. The love child of water and wind, sun and moon. I move energy, nutrients, life. I move you. I've captured your imagination since the beginning of time. You honor me. You chase me. I am a symbol of something wild that exists in you. But lately, it's I who feel wild. Choked by your trash, overheated by your pollution. It makes me sick. It makes me lash out. Don't you know I can decimate you? What do you think I can do to your currents, your coastlines, your climate? My requirements are simple. Stop stripping the forests that keep my water clean. Stop filling the atmosphere with dead carbon. And keep your plastic to yourself. Work with me now, before it is too late. I'll keep coming. I am the wave.
I am coral. Some people think I'm just a rock, when in fact I'm the largest thing alive on this planet. I'm so big I can be seen from space. But for how long? I grew for almost 250 million years. Then humans came along and now 1/5 of me is gone. Sure, I live at the bottom of the sea, and you might not see me that often. But you do need me. Do you realize that 1/4 of all marine life depends on me? I am the nursery of the sea. Little fish depend on me for food, and to hide from the big fish. And guess who eats the big fish? That's right, you do. I'm the protein factory for the world. Yet you raise the temperature of the ocean, so I can't live here anymore. And when big storms and tsunamis barrel through the ocean, I'm your fortress. Yet you tear me apart with dynamite and poison me with cyanide. Well, here's a crazy thought. Stop killing me.
Certains m'appellent nature. D'autres, mère nature. J'existe depuis plus de 4,5 milliards d'années, soit 22 500 fois plus longtemps que vous. Je n'ai pas vraiment besoin des hommes, mais les hommes ont besoin de moi. Oui, votre futur dépend de moi. Lorsque je prospère, vous prospérez. Lorsque je faiblis, vous faiblissez. Ou pire. Je suis là depuis l'éternité. J'ai nourri des espèces plus grandes que vous. Et j'en ai affamé des plus grandes que vous. Mes océans, ma terre, mes rivières, mes forêts. Tous peuvent vous emporter ou vous laisser en paix. Les choix que vous faites chaque jour, que vous vous préoccupiez de moi ou pas, ne m'importent pas vraiment. Vos actions détermineront votre sort. Pas le mien. Je suis la nature. Je continuerai d'exister. Je suis prête à évoluer. Et vous?
What's it like down there?
It's fantastic.
When my friends and I started, it was for us the pleasure of discovering. In order to go deeper, in order to stay longer, I became an inventor by necessity. That's when I understood the power of images. We began to see that the things that we had admired were beginning to decay. And we said, we have to do something. We have to enter the fight. Because you usually protect what you love.
Is he a scientist?
researcher, philosopher, man looking at the future.
Can you tell me what you think are your greatest accomplishments?
I am not interested in myself. I'm interested in the world outside me.